This video is about optimizing the combat engine through biomechanical synergy and tactical conditioning protocols. Utilizing the kettlebell. Modern combat requires a hybrid fighter with absolute strength, explosive power, and metabolic conditioning. Combat demands integrated chaotic movement, where the goal is functional synergy. Unlike barbells and dumbbells, the kettlebell's offset center of mass creates a longer lever arm. This alters torque requirements and forces the body stabilizers to engage. Against dynamic drag, the kettlebell mechanical architecture extends the mass past the palm, creating a lever. This offers benefits like stability with instability, fluid joint stress, and enhanced grip dynamics. The core algorithm for kettlebell movement is the hip hinge. The swing mimics the pulse of striking, utilizing the posterior chain for acceleration and acceleration, targeting the hamstrings and glutes. Comparing the shoulder height swing to the overhead swing, data shows the overhead swing produces 42% more peak power and 22% more work. Prioritize mass progression to maximize hip power without compromising shoulder safety. There are two main operating systems. Hardstyle focuses on max tension, explosive breathing, and core stiffening, best for MMA and Muay Thai. Sports style emphasizes efficiency, fluid movement, and energy conservation, best for BJJ and wrestling. Endurance. The Turkish get-up is a key skill. It teaches moving from ground to standing under load while maintaining a static overhead position. This enhances core stability, hip drive, and shoulder stability. Ballistics like the clean and snatch are essential skills. High pulls mimic the explosive pull-push mechanic of a punch, training fast twitch muscle fibers to absorb and redirect force. System maintenance includes the halo for rotational mobility, unilateral calibration for balance correction, and grip integrity for wrist control. Postural stability is key to recruiting prime movers effectively. Kettlebell training transfers to combat. The swing mimics the sprawl, the get-up mimic the technical stand-up and scramble, and unilateral loading prepares the core for off balance torque. A sample periodization code includes max effort on Monday for force production and dynamic effort on Friday for rate of force development. Strength support skill. It does not replace it. The kettlebell builds the integrated athlete, bridging absolute strength and sports-specific chaos. It creates a body that is resilient, explosive, and capable of sustained high-output violence. Train the movement, not just the muscle. Review the system logs and references for additional information on kettlebell dynamics and combat conditioning protocols. Please subscribe to help the channel and don't forget to like,